They call for peace, but the bombs still fall. Preach about justice while they're building the wall. Every speech drips with words of restraint, but their history's written in blood and pain. They tell the world to end all fights while their hands keep loading the guns at night. Hypocrisy dressed as a holy cause, peace in their mouths, but war in their laws. Peace, 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 peace.
Algeria rose, but the rifles replied. Set of streets drowned where the wounded cried. Civilians unarmed, cut down in flame, but Paris still claimed it was order in name. The empire's lies set their own sons too, to fight for a flag that betrayed them true. War was a racket, the prophets were fed, while families counted their silent dead.
Bloody hands preach peace, governments never cease. They feed their people lies, send them where children die. They call us the villains, the curse, the damned, but the blood on the earth shows whose hands are stained.
My life's fields, the children lay still, villagers slaughtered on Cali's will. They said it was justice, a noble fight, but it was massacre dressed in the flag's white light. Factories roared while the contracts grew, and body bags shipped with the red, white, and blue. War is a racket, the generals cashed in, while mothers were mourning the lives of their kin.
Bloody hands preach peace, governments never cease. They feed their people lies, send them where children die. They call us the villains, the curse, the damned, but the blood on the earth shows whose hands are stained.
Emerson Square, the bullets rained down. Crowds unarmed fell under empire's crown. A feminine bingo while the ships sailed past. Food for the markets, but the people starved fast. They robbed the world and they bled their own. The company fattened the poor man moaned. A racket of riches for a throne of lies, bought with the bones where the colonized die.
Cities burned and Warsaw wept, towns erased while the Reichman slept. Workers conscripted, chained to the line. Cannon fodder sold for a profit's design. The bankers cheer while the children fill. Industry boomed in the furnace of hell. They preach restraint, but the story's the same. Blood for their fortune, war is their game.
Now they preach to the world what they never obey. Tell others be peaceful while they arm every day. Lecture on justice, but the prisons are full. Tell us of freedom while they tighten the rule. Hypocrisy shines through the words they recite. Preaching the gospel, they don't live right. You're trying to teach me what you never learned yourself. Selling peace while you stack blood money on the shelf. War is the language, prophet their creed. They sell it as virtue while the innocent bleed.
Bloody hands preach peace, governments never cease. They feed their people lies, send them where children die. They call